Welcome to our video series on what's new in AutoCAD 2024, where we explore the new features and enhancements that this version provides. In this video, we will focus on some key updates to the user interface, file management, and Autodesk DOS. So let's get started. The Start tab in AutoCAD 2024 has received some handy updates, particularly in the Recent page. Now both the List and Grid views offer a search field, allowing you to filter your recent drawings files by simply typing any part of the file name to quickly pare down your list. To clear the filter, just click the X. In the List view, a Settings button is introduced. With these new updates, you can customize your view by turning on or off additional column headings and changing their order, giving you greater control and flexibility. In the Grid view, the drawing thumbnails have been reduced, enabling more drawing files to be displayed at once. Also, a sort option has been added, allowing you to arrange your recent drawings files list by name or last opened. Pinned files will always stay at the top, regardless of the sorting method. On the Start tab, the Autodesk DOS has been renamed to Autodesk Projects. Selecting Autodesk Projects will now display a pane featuring a hub sector and a project path tree, providing easy access up to 40 projects from Autodesk Construction Cloud. This enhancement ensures better performance when navigating the Start tab for drawings in DOTS. DOTS now offers improved support and performance when viewing large files. The desktop connector has also undergone enhancement, resulting in faster display and opening of drawings from DOTS. Remember to update to the latest version of the desktop connector for this improvement. AutoCAD 2024 introduced a new File tab menu located among the Open Drawing File tabs. This tab grants you a quick access to various file tools. From here, you can access the Start page, switch between drawings, create or open a drawing, save and close all opened drawings, and more. Hovering over a file name will now display the thumbnails of its layouts. Additionally, a Layout tab menu has been added below the drawing canvas. This menu provides shortcuts to frequently used layout tools. You can create new layouts, access page setup options, choose your preferred docking style, and switch between model and layout tabs. And that concludes our overview of the interface updates in AutoCAD 2024. Stay tuned for more videos in this series as we dive into other aspects of AutoCAD 2024 updates. Thank you for watching.